Polar Hair Dye Shampoo Tutorial. How to use it. I'm going to tell you how to use Polar Hair Dye Shampoo and get the best results. This product is a quick way to color your hair without the hassle of traditional dye, and it works like a regular shampoo, but with a twist. First, wear gloves unless you want stained hands, because this stuff is pigmented. Wet your hair thoroughly, then squeeze a generous amount of the shampoo into your hands and lather it evenly from the roots to tips. Make sure you fully saturate your strands. Don't rush this part if you want even color. Once it's all worked, leave it on for around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how intense you want the color. The longer it sits, the bolder the tone. Rinse it out completely until the water runs clear and skip conditioner if you want the color to last longer.